Hello, this is Manraj Wari. I'm here to explain you about my web and mobile applications ICP04. The main objective for this of ICP is to use JavaScript and jQuery. We do have two tasks, and first task is the hover image. In first task, we're gonna use the JavaScript only, and the second task, which is GitHub user file, we're gonna use the jQuery. Let's go one by one. This is over image. Let's go to my code in GitHub. This is my GitHub hover.html file. You can see we do have HTML file and CSS and JavaScript file. In HTML, we program a code to display the page, and CSS. I have given the margin border and background color or the tags to silent my code, my page, and add the JavaScript to hover the image so that when a mouse goes to an image, then the image is hovered on the page we provided in top. Let's exit and see my code. This is the output of my code. Initially, here we are not going to see any image. We we also see that over an image below to display it. You can see this image where we hover when we take the mouse cursor to here. You can see the image is displayed in the box, and it also displayed with the text that better is ready. And the next one you can also see perfect baking, and the next one is yummy cupcakes. You can see all that information when you move the mouse to the picture. I use the JavaScript to do this task. And now let us see the second task. The second task is to create an GitHub API that displays the name of the user and ID, profile, and link of the user account, all that things. Here we use the HTML file to write the code as CSS to stylen and script.js file. And here in the second, we use the jQuery to get the data for the user. Now let's execute this and let's see the output. This is the initial output of my GitHub user finder program. And here I'm gonna enter my GitHub user ID so that I'll get all my details, like you can see my profile and user information, my login name, my login ID, and the node ID, and GitHub URL and GitHub repositories that I have 6. You can also see I have given the GitHub URL. When you click here, you can open my GitHub account and you can see this. This I have done by using the jQuery. And you can also see I have created a wiki report and document as they mentioned. This is my screenshot of my HTML file, and this is CSS, and this is the JavaScript and the output where the hover is not started, and when the mouse is moved to an image in the picture has been displayed. This is the task 2, GitHub user finder. You can see the JavaScript and the jQuery and all these things. And this is the initial stage when you didn't enter the username. After you enter this, and you will get the information of the user. Here, finally, I'm gonna say I have accepted assignment, and I have created this according to everything. I also given the wiki link and the video link, and this is my ICP4. I have created documents and I posted the screenshot and the source code and created two folders for the two tasks. And that's it. Thank you.